So for this one, I'm doing a shakedown test on the RA. Trying out to get that running pretty good. So I'm going to take it on some country roads with one of my friends, just in case anything happens. See what happens. He's following us in his Subaru as well. It's just to see what, if anything, will break. I'll upload some. I'll take my GoPro, video the footage of what's happening, what's going on, just so you see how the car drives, see the roads I'm driving on, and hopefully we'll find some snow, see how the car handles snow, because I've never driven a 4-door Subaru in snow before, I've never driven my Type R, so see how that's different to DCCD, having a non-DCCD car. But yeah, give this a go. I'll probably end up cutting the footage so it won't be one constant video. It'll just be lots of little clips of, so you can see we're driving through hamlets and towns and things, because where we're taking the car there's lots of good fast flowing sections, followed by some tight turns and stuff like that, and it's all national speed limit road, so we can open the car up a bit, but there are quite a few parts where you've got to slow down, so I'll just cut those out so the video might jump a little bit, and then if anything breaks I'll get back to you as we go. It's not just hartside pass, do a shakedown in the car, see what went wrong. A few things did go wrong, which weren't apparent before, and I'll quickly tell you what those are that I've done to rectify that problem. The first problem was when the car was getting hot, not so much hot, like if it was wet and the car was hot, it didn't like starting. It still doesn't like starting, and I haven't figured out why. But if I unplug my MAF, unplug my cam sensor, crank it over a little bit, plug it back in, after I've turned the car off, it'll start and fire straight away. My boost control solenoid sometimes works, sometimes doesn't work, so I've currently fitted the boost controller in the car just so I know my boost's permanently under control and I'm not going to go mental sky high while I'm driving it somewhere, because I don't want to blow this engine up. The other thing that's come apparent that's an issue is, I know I keep going on about doing the rear end, but it really needs doing, because I do have a knock coming from the rear left side, and it's only when that wheel becomes unloaded that it's knocking. It's not really a knock, it's more of a rattle, and I've checked the coilovers, which you have seen I've just installed, so it's not them. So if you can't hear already, it's pretty much rain and snow for the past 4 or 5 days, maybe more. Not having a unit means I can't get out and do it. But one of the other things I noticed is if I'm cruising on the motorway or constant throttle for a long period of time, the car seems to hesitate and it has a really, really rich fuel smell. I know I have put 440cc injectors in it and I haven't upgraded the management yet. I'm just waiting for the link to come. I ordered it just after Christmas and it still hasn't arrived yet, so when it arrives that'll be going in and I'll start mapping it. But for now, because I've got a Jap Speed ceramic downpipe on the car, just to be on the safe side, and for when I start mapping it, I've gotten an AEM air fuel ratio gauge. I got that from Rival Motorsports. I'll put the link in the description, along with everything else I've bought for the car for after this video. But I hope you enjoyed the driving videos, just little clips to show that the car does work and drives really, really well, bar these few little issues which hopefully we can iron out. And yeah, the upcoming videos will be me installing the FR gauge. Do need to do a gearbox oil and rear diff oil change, which I plan to do as soon as the weather gets better. But I'm not 100% sure on if I should do the diff oil, because I haven't looked at how my diff is put together. It's half shaft, or if I have to pull the full splines out of the diffs for when I drop the rear subframe to tidying everything up. So I might just do the gearbox for now and then show you how to do the rear diff one, or vice versa. But yeah, that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see more videos like that. Right, peace.